Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Certo, and we're going to play a little game where we are going to guess the middle sound. How it will work, I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to say the word like I normally do, and then I'm going to slow it way down like I'm talking like a turtle so you can hear all the sounds in the word. The one I want you to pay the most attention to is the sound that's in the middle of the word. That is going to be a short vowel sound. Try to figure out what letter says that short vowel sound and write it on your paper. Let's get started. You're going to need a writing tool and a piece of paper. Your writing tool can be anything. It can be a pencil or a pen or a crayon or even a marker would work. Go ahead and get one now. Ready? Let's get started. What's the middle sound of bed? B-ed. Bed. I'm going to give you a moment to write it down on your paper, and then we're going to check the answer together. Did you think it was E because E makes the S sound? You're right. E is exactly the letter that's in the middle of the word bed. Let's go on. What's the middle sound of cup? K-up. Cup. Gotta think about it and then write it on your paper. All right, let's check it out. U makes the sound in cup. Great job. Let's keep working. What's the middle sound of the word tent? T-e-n-t. Tent. Did you have it down yet? It's the S sound made by the letter E. E is in the middle of the word tent. Great job. Let's keep going. What's the sound in the middle of sock? S-ock. You write it down. You might need to say the word again slowly, and that's just fine. Let's find out the answer. O goes ah, and that's what's in the middle of the word sock. Only a few more to do. What's the middle sound in the word pig? P-I-G. Pig. Do you think you know it? Write it on your paper. All right, let's check out the answer. I is the middle sound of the word pig. P-I-G. Pig. We only have two more to do. What's the middle sound of rat? R-at. Rat. What makes the a sound? I think I know it. Let's check. A. A says ah. That's in the middle of the word rat. One more to do. You guys have done an amazing job working. What is the middle sound of the word kids? Kids. Kids. Do you think you know it? Let's find out the answer to our last one. I says I in the word kids. Wow, kindergarten, what a great job you did. It's okay if you didn't get them all right. That just means you need to go back and practice your short vowel sounds. Thank you for joining me. And remember, we're learning these things so when we get to words that we don't know when we're reading or writing, we can stretch it out and listen for those short vowel sounds to help us figure out those words. Have a great day. It was so much fun to learn with you today. Bye.